Good morning, dear students. Dear students, in today's class, we are going to learn about the second chapter of social science, resources and development. So that is the plant, soil, water, natural vegetation and the wildlife. So students, you are already familiar with the natural resource because you are already learned about the resources in the first chapter of geography. So students, here in today's class we are going to learn about something more about the natural resources. So firstly we'll learn about the land. So as we know that, land is a very important natural resources which covers 30% of total area of the earth surface. So why remaining where how it covers? So remaining part of 70% is covered by water. So here students, so that's why all the part of this small percentage are not habitable. So the varied characteristics of land and the climate causes the uneven distribution of the population in different part of the world. So here students, in some areas are normally uninhabited or sparsely populated, like deserts areas, thick forest, mountains, steep slopes, low-lying areas, low-lying areas which were susceptible to water logging, and the rugged topography, etc. So here students, and also it is for agricultural plain and river valley of earth because it is a suitable land for the agriculture. So if we talk about its uses, we are know about its uses because here so it is we used the land in various many purposes here students. For example, to build houses, to build temples, to build the forts, and to setting up the industries, and making the roads, and for mining, forestry, and also for the agricultural purpose. So here students, land used for this purpose, that is why we commonly use the term land use here. So but also the land used is determined by the physical factor which such as climatic, minerals, topography, soil, and the availability of water. So another determinant of the land used is the human factor such as the population. So here students, we see the two factors that determine the land, that is the physical factor, another is the human factor. Here we see the two factors. First one is a physical factor and second one is a human factor. So what is the physical factor here? So physical factors such as the climate, minerals, topography, soil, and availability of the water you will see in the physical factors, and in the human factor such as the population and the technology we see here. Population and the technology is used here in human factors here, students. So in today's class we learned about the land, which is covered 30% of earth's surface and the remaining 70% is covered by the water. And the uses of land is uses for many purposes. For example, to build the roads and to construct the houses and to build the forts and temples, and so many we use it in so many purposes. And its two factors determining its two factors is there. First one is a physical factor and another is the human factors. So dear students, in today's class we are all discussed about the land. So that's all for today's class, students. Thank you.